When me nice, I saw me gwaan. When me nice, I saw me gwaan. Penny na me brain, cushion up on the shoes me ease off on me baby. Faster than the Air Force me a van. Me tell a girl more for.
You a subscriber? Me nah lie. That song ya, it have me and that one vibe. The song ya, it dropped about 7 months ago. But guess what gwaan? It a reach to me ear day by day. Every day me a hear it. And me a say no. That song ya, something about that song ya. That song ya have a vibe. Cause guess what gwaan? When that's what me gwaan. Me nah lie. So me a say yo, that song ya is very relatable. Me have to say no. I who sing the song ya. Me go say me search and me find out a who. kYODI him name. That song entitled. Well, me that's how me gwaan. You know what I mean? And me I say no. That youth are bad. I'm go and check it out. I'm see the video and everything. And me I say, that's how me gwaan. That's how me gwaan. You know what I mean? And me I say yo, bad song a bad song. If you are a subscriber, make we jump right into it.
Just when me nice, I saw me gwaan. When me nice, I saw me gwaan. Me raise my bike, I carry along, me gear it up, then ride a gun. Me didn't even have no license, bro. But when me nice, I saw me gwaan. Biggie had to.
A subscriber, me not lie. The song I give me the vibes as me said before. The man I say yo, when him nice in a brother, I saw him gwaan. You know what gwaan now? It's like in the party. Yeah, smoke a spliff. Yeah, beat up, you know what I mean? Yeah, beat some alcohol and guess what gwaan now? A bad song play. I under one vibe. The man I say yo, what if you say him do? Him turn on him bike brother and rev it up. You know what happen now? And the car alarm go off. Cause guess what gwaan? The vibration from the bike make the car alarm go off. You know what I mean? The man say, yo, him didn't even have the license, bro. But what him nice, I saw him go on. We all know in Jamaica already. A man have bike, a man don't want a license. Cause guess what go on? What the next so we go on. You know what I mean?
Biggie had to call him close. Know my head chip up like the clock and I'm close. Me not live for please nobody. If I no pick, me not go pose. And money make me happy, but me and boy not listen souls. In a house I play.
Nah, if you please nobody, if I don't pick, me not no pose. No joke about that. See the line there? Very serious. Watch what go on. The man say, yo, them know him head chip up. Like what? The Glock underneath him clothes. Cause guess what go on? We in at the party and things nice. Something might jump off. You know what I mean? The man say, yo, me not live my life to please nobody. You know what I mean? If I don't pick, me not pose. I want to them. If you are a subscriber, me not lie. That youth ya, the song ya, it just sounds so easy and make you feel like right now you just want to hold that vibe. And I say, yo, that's how me gwaan. That's how me gwaan. Brother, that's the music. When I have a punchline where somebody can gravitate to easily, your song will easily be heard and it will easily replayed by people. You know what I mean? Relatable lyrics. Lyrics you can easily catch pan. You know what I mean? The thing is an everyday thing people can, you know what I mean? Do that vibe upon like that song I know. Every day man I say, yo, that's how me gwaan. You see me? Man stays and I say, yo, if I the money me not happy. And him and the boy him not listen souls. You know what I mean? Him not gonna lock up in the house and I want to man. If you are a subscriber, make me know man. Like the song or not, bad song or not. Make we take in some more, right?
Me rather buy a rose, more wet and call a couple hoes. Keep them green magic for them nose. Cause you know one girl get high, them suck your wood and all your toes. Bitch you don't do what and I'm home.
No, what's that man? Bad song a bad song. That me have to say. The man say, yo, before him lock up in a house, you know, brother, him rather buy a couple moit, you know, couple rose moit, you know, and call a couple girl on the block, you know, and all a vibe, you know. The man say, guess what go on? Now get the green magic from the nose. Don't worry about it. Cause guess what go on? When the girl them get high, them suck off your third leg and your toe. No. A bad song. A bad song, me say. And if you are a subscriber, as me say, in the comment section, I want honor. Tell me one thing about the song. The youth are flow good. You know what I mean? The man energy. Work with the lyrics. The man play a word them bad. The man say, yo, oh yeah, I did hold some my girl. Man doing the water out of my hose. Oh, she was so hard. No, me not lie. The play a word the man I use. Show me say, yo, him bad. Him flow, him energy. Like him say, yo, I want a piece of stage, you know. But as me say, that's how me gwaan. That's how me gwaan.
Me nice as how me gwaan. Me nice as me brain, cushion up on the shoes, me is up on me belly. Faster than the Air Force, me a van. Me tell a girl more overcrowded than me and she's. When me nice, I saw me gwaan. When me nice, I saw me gwaan. Oh, so me so clean and me so buzzing, look so fly and even travel, girl them clean just like a model. Yeah, me up tell me some man, me not ready for.
Right now, watch that style here. As I'm telling about the man flow, the boss jump again and I say, yo, when him say him go on, you know, rest and him clean and him buzzle. You don't know, you know, we as yard man, we as get your youth, you know, on the station and we clean, you know, brother. We look so fly and we not travel. People have see when I say, yo, oh, that kicks is a fresh youth. And that style the man I tell about. The man I say, yo, you see the girl we have by our foot, them clean like a model. You know what I mean? The man say, yo, take up your phone right now and call me some mad and say, yo, we not ready for the coffin. I want him to him, man. Cause what? But I saw me go on.
Was so young and things happen. Plus me dog them off a shopping. I'm a nothing. Bad man, time now. Start the talking. Baby, tell a man, you know want it. Champagne, I made Remy Martin. When me nice and some.
So right here and then, you know, the man I explain to you why make him go on, so. The man say, yo, rest man young and things that happen. And him dog them want go shopping and man nothing. I want him to you. The man say, yo, a bad man time now. Stop the talking. The man say, my girl. Tell the man say, yo, you don't want him. Cause guess what go on? A champagne a bust in our head. And Remy Martin. Cause what? When me nice I saw me go on.
When me nice I saw me gwaan. Penny in me brain, cushion up on the shoes, me is up on me belly. Faster than the Air Force, me a van. Me tell a girl more overcrowded than me and she's. When me nice I saw me gwaan.
Yeah. Me nah lie. Me nah lie if you a subscriber. The song have a vibe. It have a buzz. Me nah lie. It bad. Me can't relate to it. So I put the forward tune for the ear go on. Make me know and think about the song same here. Cause me nah lie. When me just see me go on. You see me? So if you a subscriber, make me know one thing as me said before. In the comment section, me go pin the link, the full link for the song. So yo, when you can go over there and go check out the full song, can make him know so yo, at the Irons Boss sending the forward, is it? If you come taking a piece of our go on, see him way at the same time, yo, don't forget, you know, follow him on Instagram, Hineslink. Me go leave the link in the comment section also for me IG, you see me? So go over there and follow your boy, see me, you see me? And make the thing work. And I know the thing go. At the Irons Boss, at the Hineslink TV. I'm out.
When me nice I saw me gwaan. Penny in me brain, cushion up on the shoes, me is up on me belly. Faster than the Air Force, me a van. Me tell a girl more overcrowded than me and she's. When me nice I saw me gwaan. When me nice I saw me gwaan. Me raise my bike at Caroline, me gear it up, then ride a gun. Me didn't even have no license, bro. But when me nice I saw me gwaan. When me nice I saw me gwaan. Oh, so me so clean and me so buzzing, look so fly and even travel, girl them clean just like a model. Yeah, me up tell me some man, me not ready for no coffee. Was so young and things happen. Plus me dog them off a shopping. I'm a nothing.